my book. And as a result of finishing it, I now have other things to finish. But I figured today I could take you along on the journey of doing some illustrations for the first book. So, for the first scene, I'm going to be setting up this box, which is basically my stop-motion studio. I can transform it into whatever scene I need, just like a soundstage. So, for the first scene, Ruben is going to be speaking to his wife, Julie, about his book. So, I have this teeny tiny little manuscript here. There's nothing in it because this is not real life. And I'm going to be turning this into Ruben's living room. I was just gone for 5 hours, but you don't know that because this is a video. I couldn't find Julie's head anywhere. I could find her body. I could not find her head. So I just had to go make a new one. I'm going to be using a towel to make the carpet. I want Ruben to look kind of nervous in his body language because this is a scene where Julie is berating him over writing gay porn. And I want it to look like he's not too happy about that fact. Yeah, I would say that does it for scene 1. Let's get some shots in.